Hello everyone, I just got this Mazda CX-5 here. I'm just gonna make a quick video how to reset the maintenance light. So it's Mazda 3s, Mazda 6, CX-7, CX-5, CX-9. It's everything pretty much easy procedure. So first you get the ignition on, wait for the radio boot up, and then you can press the home button here, scroll into applications and go to maintenance, and you'll see this car has pretty much 5,000 kilometers but 0 days. So time wise this car is due for service. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna reset the maintenance light. You press OK, go scroll into time, press again. Everything you can do by using this this button here, and press again, and you can turn and increase the months. So you can go, I'm going to set it to 12 months and press OK, and go to distance, press again and increase to 10,000 and go back screen. So, and tire rotation, so I did the tire rotation on this, so it was off by previous mechanic or the customer, so I made the tire rotation in, and I'm gonna do 10,000 again and go back to previous menu. So, and the oil change, I'm resetting it to 10,000. That's it. So it's pretty much easy procedure on this Mazda, so you don't need any scan tools. That's one of the best thing. So people who does themselves at home, if they don't have a scan tool, so it's easy doing. Like I don't know why every manufacturer doesn't do this, but this is one of the easiest procedure to reset the service interval. Yeah, then turn off the ignition and turn back on and start the car. You will see this spanner will go off, so there's no warning lights about the service reminder. Alright guys, just check my channel. You got some important videos about the cars, and don't forget to like and share my videos, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.